Imagine having a robot make your dinner, do your schoolwork, clean your house, or go grocery shopping for you. Wouldn't that be fantastic? In this video, we will be giving you a rundown of the top 5 most powerful pro robot features. So let's get right into it. Number 5. Aibo ERS-1000. Let's begin with Sony Aibo. When Sony's original Aibo robotic dog premiered in 1999, it stole the public's mind and became an immediate cultural touchstone with a rabidly loyal fan base. Sony's 4th generation entertainment pro robot is the Aibo ERS-1000, and it debuted in Japan. The Aibo is about the size of a small beagle and weighs slightly under 5 pounds. Its lithium-ion battery lasts for about 2 hours of playtime before the dog needs to rest for 3 hours on the supplied charging station. The pro robot is jam-packed with sensors, including 2 cameras, capacitive touchpads, motion, range, light sensors, and a 6-axis head and torso detection system. The ERS-1000 is designed to spot up to 100 people and better identify and comprehend their owner's facial expressions. Sony designed the robot to grow over 3 years, much like a natural dog. In addition to the regular orders of sit, come, lay down, take a picture, and so on, you may teach your Aibo over 24 installable skills, including strike a pose, pick a hand, and sing happy birthday. Aibo is a charming robotic dog with a changing personality and behavior. It can know its owner's face, detect smiles and compliments, and pick up new skills. Of course, it enjoys being petted. Trust us, with the Aibo Pro Robot dog in your home, there's never a dull moment, because with the Learn This command, you can even teach it to dance and dance alongside it. Anyway, don't start feeling too impressed with the robotic dance performance. Please wait until we tell you about the famous dog exhibition in Dubai, especially about Opti and his crazy dance moves, before you feel wow. Number 4. Atlas. Moving on. Boston Dynamics Robotics demonstration is widely known as an amazing feat. Atlas, a humanoid robot created by Boston Dynamics, has become famous for its unequaled ability to jump over obstacles, perform backflips, and dance. Boston Dynamics robot demonstrations frequently go viral, garnering millions of views on YouTube and sparking debate on social media. Boston Dynamics Robotic Atlas successfully running a parkour track in the robotics company's latest video is no exception. Atlas gained hundreds of thousands of views within hours of its release and quickly rose to the top 10 Twitter trends in the United States. Again, Spot, a multi-purpose robo-dog, and Stretch, a mobile robot arm that can move boxes, are 2 pro robots that the company has already released. Both have potential uses in different industries, and Boston Dynamics may be able to transform them into viable businesses. On the other hand, Atlas is not a business venture for Boston Dynamics. It's referred to as a research platform by the corporation. Biped robots are complicated to manufacture, and Atlas, the most advanced biped robot, is still a long way from saving humans smooth and varied motor skills. But when fully operational, it will walk surfaces and handle tasks like we humans do. It could be one of the most valuable business prospects in the robotics industry. On the topic of valuable robots, we will discuss another pro robot making waves in the robotic industry. This pro robot has been dubbed the most realistic robot worldwide, so stay tuned as we discuss that soon. And of course, if you are finding our content enjoyable and valuable, then subscribe to this channel for similar unique content anytime we drop a video. Number 3. Opti. In addition is the robot exhibition in Dubai, which went down in history as the first international event where various sorts of pro robots were deployed to enhance visitors' experience. Anyone who visited the robot exhibition in Dubai will undoubtedly have seen Opti, a charming orange pro robot. Opti greets guests, dispenses information, provides directions, tells jokes, and frequently performs synchronized dances, much to the joy of both children and adults. According to Arash Mazomutsta, general manager of the robotics section of Terminus Technologies, the pro robots for the expo were constructed under 6 months. The robot exhibition in Dubai commanded 102 other programmable robots, in addition to 50 Optis who do various activities at the World Fair. There were 22 security patrol robots, 30 concierge-style inside robots, and another 50 that carry expo maps, give free refreshments, and assist with stock replenishment in the back of the house. All the robots were waterproof and could function in temperatures ranging from -10 to 55 degrees Celsius. When their battery runs out, they return to their charging station and dock and recharge themselves without the need for human interaction. Number 2. Asimo. Furthermore, Asimo, which stands for Advanced Step and Innovative Mobility, is the world's most advanced humanoid robot, produced by Honda Motor Company. According to the Asimo website, Asimo is the world's first humanoid robot, capable of walking and climbing stairs. Freaking awesome, right? Asimo can also interpret pre-programmed motions and spoken orders, and identify voices and faces. Asimo is equipped with arms and hands to operate light switches, open doors, and carry objects in push carts. Rather than making a toy, Honda sought to create a robot that could assist people in their daily lives. For instance, Asimo can aid the elderly or those confined to a wheelchair or bed in the home. Asimo is a pro robot that stands at 4 feet 3 inches, 1.3 meters, just the appropriate height to converse with someone sitting in a chair. This permits Asimo to perform the task it's designed without becoming too large and intimidating. Asimo's welcoming appearance and unintimidating size complement the goals Honda had in mind when it was created. Asimo employs stereoscopic vision and a proprietary vision algorithm to perceive, recognize, and avoid colliding with objects. There are spoken commands to which Asimo can answer verbally in addition to voice commands for commanding Asimo's motions. As a result of this capability, this pro robot can now operate as a receptionist, greeting visitors and answering queries. Thumbs up if you are fascinated by Asimo's friendliness, and thumbs down if not. Number 1. Ameca, not all but. Ameca, which was recently launched to the internet by Engineered Arts, UK's premier creator and maker of humanoid entertainment pro robots, is the most realistic robot ever. Ameca is a terrifyingly real robot with natural face characteristics and expressions that can build interaction with people. It can smile, blink its eyes regularly, gasp in surprise, and scratch its nose, among many other high-tech functions. Let the horrors of science fiction begin. Due to its person-like nature, it can strike an instant relationship with anyone. In fact, Ameca can even have a staring contest with its owner for fun. Unsurprisingly, Ameca caused internet users worldwide to go crazy with admiration during its release. Well, after all, this most realistic robot has very little fake skin, apart from what's on its face and hands. This pro robot's movements are incredibly fluid, and its face appears completely natural. Ameca's combination of artificial limbs and ligaments, actuators, and sensor arrays seems to be cutting-edge technology. Engineered Arts has been in business since 2005. Giving it 16 years to perfect its humanoid pro robots. Engineered Arts clarifies that Ameca does not use pure AI, aka artificial general intelligence. Ameca is essentially a chatbot in a metal frame when it comes to dialogue. Engineered Arts claims that users can speak through the robot remotely. The world of robots is gradually integrating more smoothly and intuitively into our homes, offices, and lifestyle, and come 2050, we humans will have to accept and live with pro robots. In this regard, you should check out our video about the future of robotics engineering. What will the robot look like in 2050? And you will be enlightened about many things. Thanks for spending time on this video. We will catch you soon in the next.